In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get a $15,000 free funded account that you can use to trade the Forex market or the crypto market and get to withdraw profits made from it. Now this bonus is from two different brokers. One of them is giving out a free $5,000 free Forex trading account, while the other one is giving out a free $10,000 account for trading the crypto market. So in total, you're getting $15,000 funded account for trading, and also get to keep the profits made after fulfilling the terms and conditions attached to this free account. There are no KYC requirements before getting any of these accounts, meaning you don't have to wait for years to be verified before claiming it. So after watching the complete steps to get this free funded accounts, you can get it instantly without any complications. The good thing about this free Forex capital though, is that it is available to everyone from all over the world. So all you need to successfully claim this bonus, trade with this free capital, and withdraw from it is a smartphone, a strong internet connection, and your full attention to this video. I'm going to explain the terms and conditions for withdrawing from each of these bonus accounts, so that by the end of the day, you withdraw from it without any complications. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome to Smart Hustle Media. On this channel, I make thorough research for the best free Forex and crypto trading bonuses to claim and trade for free without any fear of losing our own capital in the Forex market, and also be able to withdraw from it without any complications. So if you're interested in trading the Forex market for free with no deposit bonuses, and also be able to withdraw unlimited amounts of profits made from these accounts, then hit that subscribe button and activate the bell icon to receive the latest updates from me on this channel. Also hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm so that this video can get to a wider audience, including your mom, dad, and friends. And with all that said, guys, let's get started. The link to this broker will be on my Telegram channel. Join my Telegram channel using the link in the description box or pinned comments below. The link on my Telegram channel takes you to this registration page, so first of all, we have to fill out all of this basic information that are required on this registration form, and then you tick this box right here to agree to their terms and conditions before clicking the register button below. Now, after filling in all other information that are required on this page, you have to verify your email address on this same page by clicking this send code button at this corner of the website. After a few minutes, a one-time password will be sent to the email address you used for this registration. I was not able to see the one-time password code on this email notification, so I had to head over to my email account and click the first email sent to me. After copying your one-time password, head over to this website and paste it in the last field below and agree to their terms and conditions by ticking this box before clicking the register button below this page. If your registration was successful, you'll be logged into your account. Now to get this free funded trading account, first of all click on the three horizontal lines at this corner of the website. Once the menu has expanded, search for the challenges button at this area and click on it. You will be taken to their account pricing page, and you will see different types of paid accounts and free accounts that you can get from this broker. If you want to trade the crypto market with a free funded account, you can select this crypto option and scroll down to the bottom of this page and click the start button right here. But if you want to trade the Forex market with a free funded account, then select the traditional market option right here and scroll down to the bottom of this page and click the start button below. A pop-up notification like this one would be displayed after clicking the start button. Click the second start button on this pop-up notification and give it a few minutes to load. If you click on it and do not get any response, keep clicking on it for a few minutes and it should work properly. Once you're credited with the free Forex capital, you will receive 2 email notifications from this broker. At this point, you have to head over to your email account and open this first email notification right here. After opening the first email, you will see some information about this account, and the terms and conditions for passing this free funded Forex trading account will also be included in this email. Now on the second email, this is where you will find the login credentials for your trading platform. And do note that we're going to be trading this account on the FindTrader app and not on the MetaTrader trading platform. Before I show you how to log into your FindTrader trading application, let's check out the full terms and conditions for trading this account. Now, when you come back to your account dashboard and scroll down to the bottom of this page, first of all, you can see that the $5,000 funded account has been credited to my trading account, and I can use it to start trading immediately. Below it are the terms and conditions that are required to be fulfilled before passing this challenge. First of all, you have 30 days to trade this account and fulfill all terms and conditions. The minimum trading days is 3 days. Maximum drawdown is 8%, and the profit required to be generated is 3%. You can go through the rest of the terms yourself after watching this video. Now there are 2 ways of trading on this account. The first method is by using this website directly. The second method is by downloading the FindTrader trading application. I will show you all of them in this video. Starting with the online version of the trading app, first of all scroll down and click on this trade button displayed right here. After clicking on the trade button, give it a few minutes to load up the trading interface, and once it's done, you'll be asked to first of all accept their terms and conditions by clicking this green button displayed right here. Now you can see how this chart interface looks like, and if you look at the top right corner of this website, you will find your trading balance. To be honest, this trading interface looks overwhelming to me because most of the buttons required for trading are too tiny and doesn't give much control. So to solve this issue, head over to your Apple Store or the Google Play Store and click the search icon. It takes you to a search page like this one. Click the search bar at the top of this page and search for the FindTrader application. After downloading this application, click the open button to launch the application immediately. You'll be taken to this authentication page to either create a new FindTrader account or log in to an existing account. Now here's the big problem you might encounter. Your login password may not be sent to your email account. So to solve this issue, I clicked on the Forgot Password button displayed right here. A form will be given to you to type in your email address you used for registration. If you don't remember the email address, just head over to the second email notification sent to your email account and you'll find it right there. After typing your email address, click the Reset Password button displayed right here. Now, if you get this pop-up notification after clicking the Reset Password button, this means that a link has been sent to the email account you used for registration. So at this point, you have to head over to your email account, open the newly sent email notification, scroll down a little, and you should see a Generate Password button like this one. Now click this Generate Password button and give it a few minutes to redirect you to a website that looks like this one. Once you're on this page, the first thing you have to do is agree to their cookie policy by clicking the Accept Cookies button, and after loading for a few seconds, you should get a form like this one. Now you have to type in a very strong password that you can remember in the first password field above. Then you repeat that same password in the second password field below it, and once everything is completed, click the Reset Password button below this page. After a while of loading, once it is successful, you have to head back to the FindTrader authentication page. Now type in the account ID or the email address used for registration, and then type in the password in the appropriate fields. Make sure the Save Password button is turned on, and then click the Login button below this page. If everything is done correctly, you will be logged into your account successfully. As you can see at the top of this page, my $5,000 free funded account has been credited, and I can use it to trade immediately. Now let me use USDJPY to show you how things work on this interface. First of all, you can click this first icon to expand the chart. This gives you more flexibility to analyze the chart and make more accurate trading decisions. You can use the second icon to adjust the time frame of the chart interface. Once you get the link to this broker, you will land on this particular website. First of all, click on the sign up button at the top right corner and you'll be redirected to the sign up page. Now, on this page, you are required to fill in your full name, email address, send confirmation code, select your country of residence, and then type in a strong password. After typing your full name and email address, click on the Send Verification Code button, and a 5-digit code will be sent within 2 minutes to your email account. As you can see, guys, I just received mine right now, so I'm going to copy it and paste into this box right here. Once that is done, click the Country of Residence box and choose your country code from here. If you don't know your country code, you can search for it on Google. Now the very last step is to type in a strong password. Remember, it should be strong enough so hackers don't guess your password, but not too long so you don't end up forgetting it. Before clicking the Submit button, make sure that this small box right here is checked to accept their terms of service. After clicking the Submit button, it takes you directly to the login page, and you should also get a notification that your registration was successful. Now, you just need to log in with that same email and password, and then click Login. After clicking the Login button, it takes you directly to your account dashboard. Now click the third icon at this corner, and you will be taken to their account pricing page. On this page, you can see they have different types of accounts right here, starting with the Classic account, Legend account, Short account, and Free account. Select the Free account button, and you should see different types of free accounts that this platform offer. Now everything you see right here are the terms and conditions for trading on this free account. I don't want to waste your time, so you can pause this video and go through it yourself. Or when claiming yours, you can go through it from there. You can also swipe to the left to reveal more of the terms for each phase of the challenge. As you can see, there are just 2 phases of the challenge that you need to pass, and after that, you get funded and withdraw your profits made on this account. There's another thing I need to show you. You can choose between Legends Tournament and Short-Term Tournament from here. And of course, each of them have completely different trading terms. You can go through each of them to compare which one is the best among them. But for this video, I will be going with the Legends tournament from here. Whichever one you choose to go with, click this button below to get started with the payment process. Remember, it's completely free, so you have nothing to worry about. Now, first of all, you need to fill out all these fields right here, just as you normally do when purchasing a prop firm funded account. But for this particular one, it's completely free of charge. I filled out every single details required, so the very next step is to tick these boxes to agree to their privacy policy and terms. Once everything is done, go through each of them and make sure they are correct. If you are sure that everything is set, click on the buy button below. Immediately after you click that buy button, a new trading account would be created for you. Your account ID and password would be sent to your email address, and you should get an account creation notification. Now, this is where things become quite complicated. First of all, click on this 3 horizontal lines right here. Once it expands, scroll down and look for the download button. After clicking on it, it takes you directly to where you're to install their application. For Android users, click the Google Play Store logo and download the trading app. For iOS users, click the App Store logo and follow me step by step. After clicking the App Store logo, it takes you to this page. Now scroll down and click the test flight button below. After clicking the test flight button, it takes you to this page. Now, all this information are the steps to get both test flight and the FindTrader app on your iOS device. First of all, click on the View in App Store button, and after it's done loading, click the Get button to download and install this app. After it's done downloading and installing test flight, head back to the website and scroll all the way down until you see a View in Test Flight button below this image. Once you are inside the test flight app, click the Allow button and then click Continue button below. The next step is to read and agree to test flight terms and conditions. After that, a page to install the FindTrader application will pop up. After the installation has been completed, click the Open button and you should be taken to this page. All you have to do here is click the Next button, and on the next page, click the Start Testing button below. This is how the interface of the app looks like, but we still need to log in with the ID and password provided. So click on this icon to get started. Once on this page, head over to your email account. Search for a new message like this one and click on it. Now when you scroll all the way down, you should see your login ID and password below this image. Now copy your login ID and paste it into the ID field in the application. Also copy your password and paste it in the password field. Make sure that everything is correct and click the login button. If you get a message like this one, click Confirm, and in the second message, click OK. As you can see, guys, the $10,000 bonus has been credited, and I can start trading right away. If you want to start trading right away, click this trade icon right here. If you want to see the pairs available for trading, click this market icon right here. When you scroll down, there are lots of pairs to trade on, but I will be using the second pair on the list to show you how to trade here. You can analyze the chart just as you normally do in Forex, but the downside to this chart is that it lacks the object tools, such as the horizontal lines, vertical lines, Fibonacci, and the rest. If you want to place trades right here, according to your analysis, you can click the Sell button or Buy button below, and you will be redirected to this trade section. Before placing a trade, you can see that there are 2 drop-down menus right here. So before placing a trade, make sure that this option written Limit is set to Market Option. I've just changed it to Market Order, so right now I can type the amount I want to trade or use this slider to choose the amount. Anyways, I will be using $1,000 for this trade, and after that, click the button below and your trade will be placed successfully. So now, when I come over to balance page, you can see I now have 9,000 USDT, and my Ethereum balance is now 0.2 Ethereum, which is approximately 998 USD. To check your order history, click the 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner. Click the Orders button, and then click the Exchange Orders button right here. When you slide to the left, you can see all of your orders history here. When you slide to the left again, you'll see all your trade history. And that's how to claim this free no deposit bonus. But if you ever get confused or have any questions, drop a comment down below and I will do my best to reply. Also, comment down below the country you are watching from, and I will do my best to search for the best free bonuses specifically for your country. If you were not able to claim this free trading capital, maybe it got expired before you came across this video. Don't panic. I have a few but effective solutions to help solve this issue. The first solution is to click the playlist that will appear at this corner of the video. That way, you'll find other available options to claim and start your trading journey for completely free, and also be able to withdraw all your hard-earned profits made. You can also check out my channel using the link in the pinned comment to see if there are other active ones to claim and start trading for free. The second solution is to smash that subscribe button and activate the bell icon so that whenever I drop amazing videos like this one, you will be notified immediately. Please don't forget to also smash that like button, as it helps the YouTube algorithm to push this video to a wider audience, including your mom and dad. The third solution is to join my Telegram community using the link in the description box or pinned comment below. That way, you'll get updates that was not uploaded to this YouTube channel directly from me. You will also be able to chat with other members of the community whenever the group is open for questions. And with all that being said and done, guys, I wish you all a fruitful and successful week. See you all on my next video. Peace.